Hello everyone, and I'm in some Unturned here, and then this is for my new channel, and I'm here at the Volk military base. And so, oh crap, wait, I was in a menu for my recording software, so I'm kind of screwed now. That was gay. So, I'm on my private server, and I'm recording to show y'all this new airplane I found. I didn't see it in the update, and I must have missed it or something, but apparently there's a new airplane. So it's the Anashuka, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats, and I'm gonna guess you can sit right here on the edge, because you can do that with helicopters, but it may not let you. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. It's a huge airplane. I think we're gonna fly down to the Liberator here, though. I need to reload. Where's it? I ain't got no ammo. There we go. Here we go. You put this up. Oh yeah. Look at that. It looks like a what's it called? Looks like a I can't remember the name. It's an old German World War II submachine gun. Can't. There we go. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like the sights on this. Trying to see if I can find some attachments or something. Oh hey, there we go. Oh, I don't like that scope. Screw it. Okay, now it definitely looks like the German World War II submachine gun. So what you do is you pick it up, strip the gun, drop it, go look for supplies. So if I'm being quiet or not really talking that much, it's probably because I'm paying attention or thinking of strategies to do something. Like, I probably shouldn't have done that. I should have just like knifed that dude or something. Dang, my aim is bad. This dude gonna try me. Hey, grenade. Would you look at that? I need a gas mask and a filter. That's what I need. Go in the dead zones. I'll probably make this a public server too. I have two different servers. I have a PEI map server, and then I have this server. I don't think I'll be giving out the IPs yet though, because it's my public IP. I don't think I want to do that yet, but I might. There we go. Grab that clip. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the airplane, fill it with fuel. Let's see, do I have a fuel canister? I don't have a fuel canister. Key wrap. But see if I can find some fuel or something. If I can't find any fuel, I'll probably have to fly in my Hummingbird back over to either the mechanic place right here. There's probably, I think there's a, let's see, St. Petersburg gas station right there, maybe right here. But if there's no gas stations there, I'd drive right to the gas station right here. Unless they have gas to Zavad, which I think they do. Yeah, I think I've looted all this. $28. 0. Oh crap. I'm hoping I find one, but I don't think I will. I think what I'm just going to do is hop in my hummingbird and fly as quickly as I can to Moscow, because I know there's definitely a gas station there, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to pick up a gas canister. Otherwise, I have to get a jerry-rigged one, and I don't want to do that. Is that St. Petersburg? Nah, I don't want to go to St. Petersburg. Sorry, but you know, I'm not about St. Petersburg, so alright, you're about to see the most skillful landing ever invented by yours truly. Boom! Look at that skill. What? Where are all the items? I must have like a defective thing or something. I'm gonna probably have to reset the level, which is gonna suck, because you know, that's probably why I've been having spawn problems. Alright, so I'm going to end this video here, since I'm having spawn problems with stuff spawning, because usually it's like stuff is spawning everywhere, but like now there's nothing spawning at all. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.